I hope you guys can hear me properly. You guys can hear me properly, right? Again, very good evening to all of you guys. Very good evening. So just confirm this once if I'm properly audible to everyone. Am I properly audible? Am I properly audible? Sound, if you want me to like just turn up a little bit, I can do so. Chalo thoda बढ़ा ही देते. So I guess now I'm properly audible, right? Absolutely audible, I hope, to all of you guys. Chalo sir. Let us start with our session. So again, this is a mock session, like we'll solve the mocks and everything. So I hope the setup is perfect. So first of all, how was the mock? How was the mock? How was the mock for everyone? Chalo. Sir, this is the mock we are going to solve like from the last week, right? So this weekend only we have had this particular mock. So let's quickly move into the solutions. First question is this one, and I hope this is a little bit, so today I tried something different. I hope you guys can see this properly, right? I hope this thing you guys can see properly. Now, first, this is a very simple question actually. This is a very simple question. They are saying, so they have given you a question. Achha, should I like do one thing? Let me do one thing. I guess now you guys can see this, na? Now you guys can see it more clearly. I guess now you guys can see this more clearly. Sorry. I guess now you guys can see this more clearly. Perfect. Chalo, sir. Chalo. Now, speed of two boats are given, 2:3. Stream is flowing. They have given you 192 kilometers in 12 hours and so. Arghamita, again, very good evening, sister. Now, what is the downstream speed? They are asking. And they have given us few steps to solve this question. Now they are asking which particular step do we need? Just 1 second, it is not. So वही थोड़ा ऐसे करके चलना होगा, right? Now, which particular steps we should follow in order to get to my answer? That is what they are asking. They have given you this. Now, first things first. 192 kilometers in 12 hours. Very simple. So that means the speed will be the first step. So B is your first step. Step number 1. So what? So what is the second step? Very simple, sir. B, then speed of the boat in still water we can figure out. So this is 2. 3, sir, ki. Like what will be the 3, sir? Definitely we need. So 2:3. So from using this I can get this. Then, sir, out of this C and E, first let us see BAD. So these two are not the correct options. So either E first, then C, or C and E. So let's see now, sir. C will do first or E will do first. Sir, in E we are using this 24. That means C is the fourth step. So BADCE, that means option C is your correct answer. Option C, a little innovative type question, but it's a very simple question, I hope. Very simple question, sir. Right? Moving on to the next question. I hope you guys can see this properly, right? I can see this, so that means you can also see this. I can see this. Yes, BAD, Arghamita, not S. Now, yes, perfect. Shopkeeper marked an article 20% above the cost price. 12% discount is given and sold it for this cost price they are asking. They are asking the cost price. Very simple, sir. CP we know. So if I take my CP as 100 rupees. Okay, sir. CP I am taking 100 rupees. So what will be, sir? What will be the MP, sir? MP will be what, sir? 20% above. So meaning 120 rupees. 120%. Now on this MPI discount of 12% is given, so I can figure out my SP from there. I can most definitely figure out my SP. What will be SP, sir? Discount of 12% on 120. Discount of 12% on 120. So 12% discount means 12% discount on this. 12 12s are 14. So 14 rupees is the discount, sir. 12 12s, so 12%, 12 by 100 into, sir, 120. The 0 is gone here. So 140, sorry, 144. So 14.4 is the discount. 14.4 rupees is the discount. So what is SP, sir? What is going to be your SP, sir? Tell me. SP will be 14.4 less than 120. 120 minus 14, sir, 106. It will be 105.6. Now, this is given in terms of money as rupees 5280. Rupees 5280. This is what, sir? This is 105.6 ka value. They are asking cost price. They are asking the value of 100. Sir, value of 100, sir, value of 1 is 5280 divided by 105.6. Value of 100, sir, into 100. You get rid of this. So I'll get another 0. So 1056, no, sir. 5 times it is going to 56. 5s are 20. 280. Definitely it is 5 times. So 5 into 1000, your answer will be 5000. This is 5000 rupees. Option number A is your correct answer. Option number A is most definitely your correct answer. Clear, sir? Clear to everyone? Very simple question this was. Next one, sir. Simple rate of interest. A sum becomes 8 by 5 times in 4 years. A rate of interest they are asking. I always, in my classes also, I've told you, and in the mock analysis, of like previous mock analysis also, I've told you guys this. Always remember one very simple thing. If you get a simple interest question, best option is to go by percentage. Sir, 8 by 5 is how much percentage? It is 160%. Sir, if you don't know, sir, 1 by 5 is equal to 20%. So 8 by 5 is 8 times 20. 8 times 20 is, sir, 160. Now, this is, it's a sum is becoming this. And in terms of percentage, principal or the sum, whatever you want to call it, sir, that is always the base, that is always, sir, 100%. So can anyone tell me, can anybody tell me, sir, what is the interest in terms of percentage? Sir, interest, can I say then 60% is interest? 60% is total interest because total amount is 160%. So interest is 60%. 60% we are getting interest in how many years? In 4 years. Sir, 1 year interest in terms of percentage is called ROI or rate of interest. Sir, 1 year interest, sir, 4 years 60%, 1 year 60 by 4, that is 15%. That is actually called our rate of interest. So the answer to your question is option D, 15%. Clear this, everyone? Yes, Argamita, absolutely. This is your correct answer. Very good. Next one, sir. Next one, sir. Sir, anybody, can anyone tell me what this will be, sir? What this thing will be, sir? Anybody, what will be the answer to this question? What will be the answer to this question, sir? Achha, if you don't, I'm giving you one very simple logic. The answer to this question will be 6 cube plus 3 into 6. Now, can anyone tell me how did I do this? This is 216 plus 3 into 6 are 18. 16, 16, like 32, 34, sir. 234, option number 4, sir. Now, like you will say, sir, aapne to bata diya. Sir, how? Always remember, if x minus 1 by x or rather a minus 1 by a is given as p, sir. So a square minus 1, sorry, a cube minus 1 by a cube, it is always 3p, like, sorry, p cube plus 3. Rather, you can write it like this, p cube plus 3p. Now, how this comes? It is very, very simple. You just simply from this line, cube the both sides and you will get this result. You will get this result, and for square also, you know, p square plus 2p. But again, what I am saying, p square plus 2 you get for square. But what I am saying here, please understand this very, very simple logic. If you are a serious candidate, you should remember this. If you are a serious candidate, you should remember this because the competition is remembering. So using this, so you see, this is 2a whole cube is this, 2a whole cube is this. So ultimately, this is this pattern only. So what I can do? So this is your p here. P is 6. So it will be p cube plus 3 into p. P cube is 6 cube plus 3 into 6, sir. That is, you see what I have written. That is the direct answer in 10 seconds. You should not waste more than 10 seconds here. Okay. And if there is someone who already didn't know this, please remember this as a result. Very important result. Clear, sir? Moving on, sir. Moving on, sir. AP ka question, sir. Again, AP ka question, you should know the basic. So they are asking term. So the formula, the basic formula is, sir, Tn, nth term is T1 plus n minus 1 times D, sir. D is your CD or common difference. It is your common difference, sir. Right, sir? So if we do this, sir, T1, the first term, this is your first term. First term, sir. Sir, how much is first term, sir? We know 23. 23 plus n is what, sir? The number of terms. Right? We need to figure out 35. So n value over here is 35. We need 35th. So 35 minus 1 is 34 times. D is what? Common difference means the consecutive difference. You take any two number here, figure out the common difference. Sir, any two number, what is the difference, sir? 40 and 57, difference is of 17. Difference is of 17, sir. Let's calculate. It's 23 plus, sir, how to calculate this? Sir, 17 into 34 ko can I write? 17 times 2. 17 times 2 is 34. 17 square, anybody, how much is that? Sir, 17 square is how much, sir? 17 square is how much, sir? 17 square is how much, anyone? Yes, Argamita 611. Achha, you got that. 17 square is how much, sir? Anyone? 17 square is 208. Tell me. 289. So times 2, sir. So 290 times 2, 580 hota hai. So minus this, minus if you do like 2. So 580 minus 2, sir, 578. 578. So your answer is 578 plus 22 is 600, 601. Arghamita, I guess you made a small error, sister. It is, yes, it is 601, not 611. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Very, very, very simple question. Again, sir, next one. Next one, sir. Lateral surface area of a cone is 550 centimeter less than, it should be centimeter square less than, okay. Sir, the surface area of a sphere of radius this. Sir, first surface area of a sphere 4 pi r square. Radius is 14. So I can simply say 4 into 22 by 7 into, sir, radius is 14 square means 14 times 14. Do not calculate, okay. Calculation will do later on. You can at most do this. You can at most do this. Now, lateral surface area of a cone. So lateral surface area of a cone is pi r L. Remember, L is latent, or rather you guys call it slant height now. Yes, it is slant height, most popular name. Latent height also it's called. So again, if pi r L, it is 550 centimeter square less than this. So it is 4 into 22 into 2 into 14, 550 centimeters less than this. Now you will say, sir, why didn't you, did you ask us not to calculate? You will get the answer now. You will get your answer now. So 12 pi we know 22 by 7. R you know, sir. R is what, sir? R is given. Radius of the cone as 21. So perfect. Into, sir. L I don't know. Let us keep it. From here, can you take anything common? Sir, I can say, I can take this 22 common by itself because this is also divisible by 22. So that means we are having 4 2s are 8 times 14 minus. If I take 11 common means it is 50. 22 common means by 2, that is 25 remain. So 22 cancel, 7 3s are this. So again, sir, L equal to 8 times 12, 8 times 14, 8 14s are 112, right? Minus 25 divided by, sir, 3. 112 means 112, say you subtract 12, 100, and this is again 13, 87 by 3. So this is 29. So the value of L we got as 29. But sir, they are not asking L. They are not asking, sir, L. What they are asking, sir? Height. Remember, sir, L, R and H. in any cone, sir, they are always like right angle. So H will be, sir, just now wait for a second. R I know 21, L I know 29. So there is I am getting a feeling of something called triplet. Pythagorean triplet. Can anyone tell me you don't need to do this? This has to be 20, sir. Because 20, 21 and 29, they are Pythagorean triplets, sir. It is 20. Manu is saying, sir, background blur. It should not be background blur, brother. It is, sir, you are asking me to blur my back, but brother, it is going through a software, na? So it's very difficult actually. We need plugins and everything. So next week onwards, you will see there is, so I'm kind of shifting into a new setup, the digital board setup. So next week onwards, you won't have the problem. Okay? Manu, if you are facing a little bit issue, please kind of manage for this one day. Next week onwards, so I'm kind of, so everything, so just the installation is remaining because Holi Vagera hai na, so we couldn't install this week. So next Monday mock solution, mostly that will be done on that particular setup. Perfect. Perfect, Manu. I hope that satisfies you. Chalo, sir. Chalo. Next one, sir. 250 workers can do a piece of work in 30 days. 250 workers work for 15 days. Acha. Then to finish the work early, 125 more workers employed after 15 days. Total number of days they will require to complete the work. Total number of days. Sir, let's do one thing. We don't need to do all the things. So 250 workers, na, they have already worked for 15 days. So work is remaining for 250 workers. For 250 workers, we are having 15 days worth of work remaining because out of 30 days, they have already worked 15 days. Out of 30 days, they have already worked for 15 days. So that means 15 days worth of work remaining, sir. 125 more workers have joined. So, sir, 125 means, sir, half of this, no, sir. That means the total number of workers now is 3 by 2 times. It is 3 by 2 times of whatever number of workers were working. So that means, can I say time will, so if number of workers increases, time decreases, no, sir, and linearly decreases. So can I simply conclude, sir, it will be 2 by 3 times the time. Whatever time, so it was supposed to be 15 days, it will be 2 by 3 times because 3 by 2 opposite is 2 by 3. So it is 2 by 3 of 15, that is 5 2s are 10 days. So we will, so total how many days are remaining? Or like they have worked, sir, 15 days here and 10 more days that they will work. Total, sir, 25 days. Option C. Now this is the best way to solve, you see. Now you can also go by the total work method. So 250 into 150, that is equal to 250 plus 125 new number of people into, sir, how many days X. So from there also you can figure out the value of X as 10. That also works, but I'll say please go through this. This is a much better method, but yes, a conceptual method, a little bit conceptual. Clear, everyone? Everybody clear? So again, if you are liking the session, please do hit the like. Please do hit the like button. Okay, sir? Now, there's a DI question. DI question. Following bar graph represents the data regarding number of students, the number of students of a school who work their birthday on 6 consecutive months. Acha, chalo sir, 6 January, February, March, April, May, June. Acha, who have their birthdays. Chal, if there are total 1100 students in the school, approximately what percent students have their birthday on the first 6 months of the year? So total, how many students have birthday in the first 6 months? So let's do that. So I need the addition. I need to add all 6 values, sir. All 6 values. Let's do it like this. 200. I'm taking, acha, can I give you one technique? Acha, chodo, let's do normally. 200 plus 11 plus 36. Chalo, so let's do it like this. 200, and this is like 200 I'm taking. Okay, I'm taking 200. So it is plus 11 minus 5. So that is 400. These values we won't take like for the time being. Again, sir, it is plus 1. I'm taking also 200 here. 2, 2, 2, 600. Again, sir, 150. 6 fifths, that is 750. Now, how much plus or minus? 11 plus 1, 12 minus 5, sir, 7. Plus, sir, let's take these two. 80 into 30. 80 into 30 is a 110. Plus, sir, 6 and 7 is a 13. 13 plus 7 is a 20. That is 130. 110 plus 20, 130 plus 750. That is 880 students. 880 students out of 1100 students, they are asking percentage. Simple question is now 880 is what percentage of 1100? 880 by 1100 into 100. Do the calculation quickly. Like 8, this is 11, this is 10, so this is this. 80% is your answer. Option number C. And honestly, if you're a serious candidate, just by looking at the value and this value, you'll say, sir, 80% is the answer. You don't need to calculate. You do not need to calculate. Perfect, everyone. Perfect, sir, everybody. Everybody clear? Everybody? Perfect. Let's move on, sir. A circle is inscribed in a quadrilateral WTUV. Chalo, sir, let's make the drawing. Circle is inscribed, na? तो थोड़ा गड़बड़ होगा. I guess you guys can see this now. Chalo, sir, let's make the diagram. The diagram will be a little bit bad looking, but not so bad as well. So it is somewhere like this, something like this. It is something like this. WTUV. That is what they have given. Now, X is the center. Okay, X is the center. WXT. Okay. This value is given. This value is given as 97 degrees. Okay. WXV. Acha, this is X, na? Sorry. This is an X. This is given as 91 degrees. Acha, UXT. Acha, that means that they are asking these two. So this one and this one, the other one. The ratio between these two, UXB and UXT. So always, let me give you one property here. If you see there is this particular circle that is kind of inscribed inside a quadrilateral, always remember, sir, opposite angles, na, sir, they are supplementary. Always remember this angle plus this angle. If I say this X and this as Y, so angle X plus 97, that will be supplementary, meaning 180 degree sum. And this also, sir, Y plus 91, that will also be supplementary, that is 180. Sir, value of Y from here I can say it is 89 degree, and this will be, sir, X is equal to how much? 180, 97, 83 I'm getting now. 83 is 83 degree. So the ratio will be, first is what, sir? UXT, that means Y ratio X I need. 89 ratio 83 will be the answer. Option number D, sir. Option number, sir, D. Perfect, everyone. Always remember this property. This property is important. Property is important. Clear, sir? Clear, sir? D is the answer. Yes, Araghamita, absolutely correct you are. Absolutely correct you are. Next one, sir. अच्छा, mean. Sir, mean का formula याद है ना, sir? xi a phi by summation of a phi for weighted mean, sir. Meaning, sir, this is your xi, this is your fi. Multiply and add, multiply and add. That is what you must do. They are asking the value of x. A little calculative hoga, sir. 6 into x minus 10 plus 30 into 8, sir. 3 8 is how much? 30 into 8 is, sir. 30 into 8 is, sir. 24, 240. This is also 240. 12 into 20 plus 15 6 are 90, sir. 10 3 is a 30, sir. This is 60, sir. That is equal to, divided by a phi. divided by, sir, whole divided by, sir, fi. Fi means the sum of this. This is the fi column. So 6 plus 8, sir, 14. 14 plus 12 is 26. 26 plus 6, 32. 32 plus 8, sir, 40. So by 40, this is equal to given. This is 2, like 24. Sir, 6 times x minus 10 plus. So let's do now, sir, 480. 480 and sir, 90, 90, 180. You see, like 60 plus 30, 90 plus 90, 180. 180 here, 480 here. Sir, 480 plus 200, sir, 680 minus 20. That is 660. So simply by calculating, can I say it is 24 into 40? That is 24 4s are 960. Minus this was how much? 480, 680 minus this 660. So that is 300, sir. 306 means this is 50, sir. The x value is, sir, 60. The value of x that is they are asking, that is option number C, sir, 60. Very, very, very simple question. You see, a little calculative, but if you know how to calculate, it won't give you a lot of problems. It should not give you so much of a problem. Clear, everybody? Everybody clear? Not a very difficult questions by any means, right? Sir, one root, whenever you see this first thing, one root, put that root always in the equation, you will get whatever they are asking. Whatever they are asking, you will always get it. Sir, one root, sir, is 6. So p minus 1 into 6 square, x is 6. I am putting x equal to 6. That is 36, sir. Minus 3p square into, sir, x, that is 6. Plus 18p, sir, it is 0. So 36p, let's calculate, sir. 36p minus 36 minus 3p square into 6, na, sir. I am directly writing it is 18p square. 3 6 are 80. Plus 18p, sir, it is 0. Sir, if I take 18 common and get rid of this, you see what will happen, sir? It is 2, it is 2, it is 1, it is 1. So I am getting p square. I am taking everything to right side. It is, I am getting p square. I am doing a little bit quick calculations, okay? If anyone is having any problem, please feel free to like ask me to slow down. 30, so it is 2p and plus 1p, meaning it will go as 3p to that side. So minus 3p ban jayega. Again, it is 2, sir, it will go that side, it will become 2, sir. Sir, whenever you see an equation and where you need to figure out the value of p, na, sir, let me give you one thing. So 2 and this plus sign will determine this plus sign, or rather this sign will determine whether in middle term I need to take this as plus or minus. So here plus means I need to take as plus. So how can I get 3 from 2? So 2 means 2 into 1 and 2 plus 1 is 3, but sir, I need minus 3. So I need minus 2 minus 1. You come till this point, do one simple thing, change the signs always. Change the signs, and if there is something as the coefficient of p, divide by this. So here the coefficient is 1, so I'll divide by 1. So I'll get 2 and 1 as my values of p. Now they are asking value of p can be what? 2 is there, so that will be one value. So there might be something other than 2, like 2 they can give, they would have given 1 as well. वो भी चलता. That is also one of the options. Again, you need to learn how to, like from this line, how to write this direct line in 5 seconds. Always go for this. Clear, sir? Clear? Moving on, sir. The average age of boys and girls together is 32. Okay. Average of boys, this is very simple. Average of boys 36 years. Average of girls 26 years. This is a template allegation question. So if anyone here who has read this problem and the word allegation has not come to your mind, you need more practice. You need a little more practice then. Okay. So 36, 26. And the total average is 32, sir. Take allegation, sir. So this is boys, this is girls. Remember. Because the ratio is girls to boys. Remember this. So it is crosswise difference is 4, crosswise difference is 6. 6 ratio 4 meaning 3 ratio 2. So boys ratio girls 3 ratio 2. But they are asking girls to boys 2 ratio 3 will be the answer. Option number D. Do not by any chance mark this. Please do not mark this. Clear, sir? Everybody clear, sir? Moving on, moving on. A obtained marks which is 15% above B. C obtained, again the marks, you see both the marks is kind of related to B, na sir, percentage in terms of percentage of B. So what can I do, sir? Can I simply say, acha, in these situations, na, take B and take B as your the easiest value. Why, sir? Because you see, percentage and ratio, they are all relative terms. I told you guys this countless times. They are all relative terms, meaning they have given you something relative. They are asking ratio, meaning that is also something relative. So in this, if given is relative, asking is relative, you can assume anything. That's the, we have the free rein while assuming. So meaning if I say, sir, A has scored what? B I know. So A has scored 15% more, meaning 115. Right, sir? B has scored what, sir? B has scored 25% less. Sorry, so C. 25% below B, meaning, sir, 75% of 175. They are asking these ratios. Sir, 5 15s are this, 5 23s are this. 23 ratio 15, option D. That is most definitely your, sir, correct answer. Very, very simple again. Very, very simple stuff. Next one, square root. Sir, always do not take any chance here. I have seen countless students make mistakes here. Always go into the fraction. Sir, point ke liye I'll put 1 and there are 1, 2, 3, 4 places. So 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So square root of 64, 8. So there are 4 zeros. So outside it will be 2 zeros. So 0.8, sorry, 0.008 be, sorry. 0.08, sir, because 100 means there has to be 2 places after decimal. So 0.08, option D. Option D, sir. Now, if you are advanced, if you have already done this, what you will say, sir, there are 4 places after decimal sign, sir. So that means square root mein there will be 2 places. 2 places means this one. You can do it directly as well. Because you see, you don't need to calculate the the value, because value to everything is 8. So only you need to calculate what? The value, like the number of places after decimal. If you're prepared enough, you should be able to say this directly. Directly you should be able to say this. Sir, next, sir, what we'll do, sir? Let us see, sir. Radius of a cylinder 2 by 3 times of height. Base area is this. Sir, it's okay. Base area means I will figure out my radius from here. Sir, base area. So cylinder means circle is a base. Base is a circle. So pi into r square, it is 616. Achha, sir, pi means we all know 22 by 7. 22 divided by 7. 11, sir, 11 2s are this. 11 5s, 11 6. Right, sir? 228s are this. R square is 28 and this 7, that means, sir, into 7. Now do not try to multiply. Sir, 28 means, sir, 4 into 7 into 7, sir. So from here, R I'll take 2, 2 7s mean I'll take 1 7. So R is 14, sir. Now once I know R is 14, radius is 2/3 of height. That means height is 3 by 2 of radius. So 3 by 2 times of radius meaning, sir, 21. 2 7s are this is 21, sir. Sir, area of his curved surface. Area of curved surface, we all know, always for a symmetric diagram, the area of curved surface formula is what? Perimeter of the base, 2 into pi into r. Achha, let's write this directly, sir. 22 by 7 into r is what, sir? R to we know 14. So this is perimeter of the base into height, sir. Height is how much, sir? 21. So let us calculate a little bit, sir. This go 3 kar dete. 3 into 14 42, 42 into 2, sir, 84 into 22, sir. Baap re. 8 se kuch khatam ho raha hai, sir, this one. Why, sir? 4 into 2, sir, 8. That is your unit digit. Unit digit is, sir, 8. So that must be your correct answer. Everybody clear? Everybody, this is clear? 100% clear, sir? 100% clear, sir. Very simple question, right? Moving on. So simplification question. चलो सर करते हैं, क्या ही करें. Sir, BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule 342 into 14. Sir, divided by 9. I told you in modified BODMAS, you can do it. You can do it like the multiplication and division in the same step. Now again, so this is 13 into 16. Acha, minus 391 into 7 by 23. Minus 13 into 21, sir. Done. Yes, 1848, Argamita. Perfect. Sir, acha, sir, this is, sir, 19. 19 is 361. So it is 18 most probably. Right? 8 9s at this. 361 minus 23, like 341. So 342. Perfect. Again, sir, this is 17. Right, sir? 17, na, sir? 230 plus 135. 230, 1 second. 3 7s are 20. Yeah, I hope so. 230 plus 7. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. So that means 18 times 14 plus 13 times 16 plus minus 17 times 7 minus 13 times 21. And they have played a very bad game here. What? You see, all the unit digits are same, 8. So they are like, sir, you have to calculate. You must calculate. Chalo, sir, kya hi kare? Then we must calculate anything. We can do anything. No, nothing can be done, sir. The most we can take something common. Chalo, wahi karte, sir. 4 common lete from these two. I'm taking 4 common, and from here I'll take 7 common. 4 if I take common, this is 9 and this is 7. This is 63. And sir, from here it is 4. So 4 13s are 52. Minus 7 I'm taking common. So it is 17 and minus will become plus. 3 13s are 39. So 4 into, this is 115, sir. Minus 7 into 40 and 16 means 56. So 4 times it is 460. Minus 7 times 56, sir. 350 and 42. 350 and 42, like 392. So 68 is your answer. 68 is your answer. Option number B, sir. Option B, sir. 68 is your answer. Again, let me see. Do not multiply everything. Okay, that will take more time. If you can take common, please think for a second कि sir common ले सकते हैं. No matter how good you are in calculation. Do not work hard without like there being a reason. So probability, 6 white balls, 8 red balls, 4 blue balls. Achha, 1 ball is taken out. Tab to bahut si. So total number of balls, sir, total how many balls? 6 plus 4, 10 plus 8, 18. 18 balls. So classical definition of probability, I have just taken a class on this particular thing. Just taken a class on last Saturday only. Okay, so this is the drive I always say about. So last Saturday only I have taken a class, and the second part of that class I'll take this Saturday at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. on Saturdays. Every Saturday I take a class that is completely free for everyone. So 10 a.m. is my slot, and everybody, all like throughout the Saturdays, every faculty in our platform, they do take classes. Okay, so currently we are doing probability, and if you want a particular like class on a particular topic, please feel free to ask. Just ask, I'll take that up in one of the next classes. Okay, sir. Now, and if anyone needs a little bit of understanding on probability, please feel free to join. Now, 1 ball I'll take, that should be a red ball. So classical definition is saying desired outcome divided by the total outcome. Divided by the total outcome. The desired outcome, sir, I will take. So if I need red ball, I will pick anything from this, like out of these 8 red balls. So how can I do this? 8C1, or again anything C1, sir, that is that value only. So 8C1 is nothing but 8. So if you want, you can directly write 8. Or you can also think, sir, out of 8 balls, I need to pick 1. So either I can pick first ball, second ball, third ball. So out of 8, so there are 8 possibilities. I can pick that up in 8 different ways. Total outcome, I'll pick like one ball from 18. That is 18 C1 or 18 only. That is your answer. Thoda calculate kar do, sir. So let's do, so 2 4s are this, 2 9s are this. Your answer is 4 by 9. That means Argamita was absolutely correct once again. Very, very, very good Argamita. Very, very good. Clear this? Absolutely clear. Next one. Non-terminating decimal. Here in this paper I've seen there are 31 questions or 30 questions. Maybe I don't know, 30 questions. So no, by 5 never can be non-terminating. By 4, by 16, no sir. So only options are by 3. By 3 is non-terminating. We all know 1 by 3 itself is non-terminating. 37 by 3, it's a single liner. It was a single liner, right? Next one. DI question, let's see sir. DI ka question. Sir, line number of patients who visited in 3 hospitals in 5 days. Second highest, acha sir, second highest, you see in these na. Do not blindly calculate, thoda dimag lagao. Use a little bit of your brain. Sir, this can never be my answer. Because if the values are higher, I need highest, the second highest. So the value, the graph will be higher. So this can never be my answer. So this can be my answer, this can be my answer, and this can also be the answer. Why sir? Because here one value is very less. So let us calculate, and most, like I can guarantee this. So this is the highest. This is your highest. Now you might say, sir, how? How, sir? You understand. 56 is greater, 50 is greater, and this value is same. So meaning sum, if I take, this will be higher, sir, than this. And so the second highest is between either this one or this one. So calculate now. 54, 48, 36. I think you might not be able to see the values. You might not be able to see this value. This happens with this, brothers and sisters. This happens with this, like this, when in this particular software. Not exactly the software. Whenever we pick up the question, na, DI में बहुत दिक्कत होता है. Sometimes. I'm not saying every time, but yes, it happens sometimes. Sir, 48, 36. 48, let's do 36, 54. Better, sir. This is, sir, like 60 and 30, that is 90, sir. Plus 48, sir. That is 138. What about this, sir? 40, 40, 40, 120 and 10, sir, 130. Sir, second highest, that means highest is this one. Do not take this. Highest is this one. So second highest will be this. That is day 4, sir. That is nothing but your day 4, sir. Option number D, sir. Option number D. Argamita, yes, absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. I'm moving towards next. Find the compound interest. Acha question. 1.5 years. Acha, half yearly, then yes, half yearly, sir. So half yearly interest credit means the total interest will be credited 3 times, sir. Right, sir? So 20% per annum rate, that means every 6 months the rate is 10%. Rate is half, that is 10%, because time is half. So rate of interest 10 means P ratio amount is how much, sir? I told you this. That means principal is 10 means 10% means, sir, 10%. This means 1 by 10 in fraction. Meaning if 10 rupees is my principal, 1 rupee is interest, so amount is 11 rupees. Now, how many times interest is getting credited? 3 times, sir. Sir, cube kar do then. So this is 1000 ratio 1331. Can anyone tell me this is principal, this is amount? Sir, this is difference is interest na, sir. How much, sir? 331 rupees ka difference. Difference is of 331 rupees. Right? Now, sir. 5000 they have told ki this is principal. Meaning, sir, this 1000, this is principal na, sir. This is 1000. Sir, 1000 ka value is rupees 5000. Meaning, sir, one value is, sir, rupees 5. So 331 parts is, sir, into 5, sir. So 15 and 30, again, sir, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15 and 1. So this is 155. 1500 and 155. 1500 and 155 is 1655, sir. 1655 is the answer, option numbers. Now again, you could have done this question using tree method, using formula, using AB theorem. Okay, so there are so many different ways of solving compound interest. AB theorem से तो करते तो so 10% rate of interest 3 years में it becomes 33.1%. So your answer will be 33.1% of this. Again you do, you'll get the same answer. You will get the same answer. Clear everyone? So you can use AB theorem also in this case. This will not be very difficult. I hope this is clear. I hope this is clear. The second method, third method. Acha sir, composite function. Composite function, sir. This is called na FOF of 1. Okay, in mathematics. Composite functions we call it. But again, we do not need anything. We need simple logic, sir. Sir, f of 1, f of x is this. F of 1, how to do this? I have that famous like the shoe factory example of mine. If you haven't got this, I'll take a class. So you put x equal to 1. So 2 into 1 square is 2 minus 3 whole square. So minus 1 whole square is 1 only. Sir. That means f of 1 is also 1. Now if I put this f of 1. So f of 1 is what? F of 1 is 1 itself. So it is nothing but f of 1. This is f of 1. F of 1 again, f of 1 we know, sir, 1. So your answer will again be 1, option number C. Option number C. Clear this everyone? Very, very simple. So again, let's see. Total number of students, acha. Average number of girls. A little calculative question, sir. It is a little calculative, sir. Okay? Sir, girls to boys we know. Let's figure out the values now, sir. 7:21:1. That means 360 girls. We are only figuring out girls because I need girls. Data picking, I told you, there is something called data picking. The better you are at data picking, the faster you are at DI. So again, 480, 5 plus 7, so 12 parts is 480. I need 5 parts. So 12 parts, 12 fours are 480. So 4 5s are 20. So 200 is this. The number of girls. अच्छा sir. तो मैं ही देख नहीं पा रहा हूँ क्या है 640 5 plus 3 8 parts 640 meaning 1 part is 80 so this 5 parts is 5 8s are 400 done 3:2 of 500 that means 300 200 that is 300 sir average of these it's very simple to add I want to use any other method then no deviation nothing is required because it is very very simple to add 700 900 1260 divide by sir how much 1 by 1 2 3 4 sir last mein 15 hoga sir you see 60 by 4 is 15 so my answer will be 315 right or rather if there was a bigger value always remember 4 division is always check the last 2 digits always that will give you your answer so the answer option B is 315 option B 315 sir. Very 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 simple questions right. Again, if you are liking the session, please do hit the like button. Sir, speed of A and B, acha, both speeds have been given. Okay. They will cross each other in x hours when moving towards each other and these many hours when moving in the same direction. Okay, sir. Sir, it's a pure relative speed question. R is when both objects are moving, we need relative speed. Towards each other means relative speed is plus 75 plus 90 165 kilometer per hour. Same direction means minus 90 minus 75 15 kilometers per hour. Sir, if they want to cross each other, they need to cross their sum of lengths only. They need to cross the same length only because it does not matter whether they are crossing from this direction or from the same direction. So distance is same in this in both crossings. In both crossings, distance is same. How to figure out distance, sir? So distance is speed time here into speed, sir. So can I say 165 times x speed into time? Right hand side also speed into time. Speed is 15 times. Time is this. Sir, calculate this is 11, sir. Sir, x squared minus 11x plus 24 is 0. So again I told you 8 into 3 can you write? That is 24. I need minus 11 so my value of x is minus 8 plus minus 3. What we need to do just change the signs. That is your options. So find the x. X is even means the answer will be 8. x is even means the answer will be 8, option D, sir. Option D, 8 is your answer. Clear? Clear, sir? Simple. How many 5 appears in the prime numbers between 50 and 150? अरे बहुत बढ़िया question. बहुत बढ़िया question, sir. You don't need it. This question is not as difficult as it looks. Why, sir? 50 to 150. Sir, let's categorize 50 to 60. Like I'll find prime numbers, and 60 to 150. Now let's understand one thing. 60 to 150, whatever happens, there cannot be any 5 in the beginning of the particular number. It will be always at the end, meaning it will be either 65 if I need 5, 65 or 75 or 85, like this. Always 5 will be at the end, and anywhere if a number is ending in 5, they are never prime numbers because the number itself is divisible by 5. The number is itself divisible by 5. Right? That is, the number is itself divisible by 5. So, वो तो नहीं होगा. That means whatever prime numbers including 5 I have, it will be in between this. So 51 is not prime, 53 is prime, 55, 57, 59 is prime. 57 भी prime नहीं है. So the answer is 2, sir. Option D, 2 prime numbers I am finding. These 2 are only prime numbers. So that means the actual question was how many prime numbers are there in between 50 to 60. That is your actual question. Done, sir? Acha, next one. Fractional number n is reduced by 60%. Acha. Then the resultant fraction. In the resultant fraction, denominator becomes 20 more than double of the original denominator. Acha, numerator remains the same. Okay. Sir, fraction ko kuch le lete, sir. Fraction was x by y. Now, if it gets reduced by 60%, meaning reduced by 60% means 40% is remaining. 40% is remaining. When that happens? When denominator becomes double the 20 more than double. So 2y plus 20 and numerator remains the same. But yeah, x will cancel. So 40% means 2 by 5, sir. So 2 by 5 into y, it is 1 by 2y plus 20. You see 5y equal to 4y, so y, sir, is 20, sir. From this line, I can say 5y if I do cross multiplication. 5y minus 4y equal to 2 into 20, sir, 40. Sorry, extremely sorry. देखो गड़बड़ कर दिया था मैंने. Y is 40, sir. Y, sir, is 40. Right? So y अगर मिल गया, the fraction is what? Acha. So options are given like this. So original numerator divided by 40 because y is the exact value, the original, like the fraction x by y. So x by 40 will be the fraction. The fraction actually will be, sir, x divided by 40. Done, sir? B is the correct answer. Simple. Ordinate of the point. Sir, if a point is given like this, x comma y, remember, this is called abscissa and this is called ordinate, sir. The y coordinate is always the called ordinate. So they may ask you abscissa. So in that case, answer will be 3. Ordinate means the answer is minus 9. The answer is minus 9, sir. Clear? Absolutely clear. Very simple question. Sec A into sin A. Acha. So there are 2 ways you can do using identity if you are comfortable, or you can put values. Value putting approach also works here. So let's put value because most of like the students do it like this. Sir, sine and cos is there option mein, so I won't be putting like anything like this 45 degree. 45 degree I won't put, and again tan and cot is there, so 90, 0, like both I won't put. So I can put either 30, either 60. Which one, sir? 30 le lete, sir. Sec 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2, sec 30 2 by root 3 into. Sin 30, sir, 1 by 2 divided by. Tan 30, sir, 1 by root 3 plus cot 30, sir, root 3. So 2 cancels. So it is 1 by root 3 divided by, this is root 3 is LCM, 3 plus 1. So it is 1 by 4. So 1 by 4, अच्छा तब तो sin squared है, because sin squared 30 is half. So sin squared 30 like that is 1 by 4. Square है तो that is half. Like 1 by half square, that is 1 by 4. This is one way. So again, no sir, I won't use this. Sir, what is the proper way? Do it. Sec A, I am writing 1 by cos A into sin A. Perfect, sir. Divided by, sir. Tan A means sin A by cos A plus cot A means cos A by sin A. And again, if you are a very serious candidate, you will say, sir, tan A plus cot A can be written as 1 by sin A cos A. Why, sir? You will get to see it out right now. Sir, that means sin A divided by cos A. Sir, in over here, the LCM is sin A cos A. And it will get multiplied, it will become sin square A plus cos square A, which is 1, sir. So it is 1 by sin A cos A, na? It is 1 by sin A cos A. So direct you can definitely, if you have practiced enough, this will be remembered. You don't need to put any effort to remember. Sir, ye to 1, sir. This is 1, sir. So ultimately again cos A cancels, and this sin A will go up, division of division. So it will become sin square A. That is one of that is the answers. So either you can do it like this, or sir, simply value putting also works. Whatever you guys prefer, whichever method you guys prefer, you do that. Significant digit, na sir. As I said, this is not very difficult. Tell me, sir, significant digit comes from what? Meaning the like whatever the digits after decimal. So 25.25 means this into 24.0.48. You see, na sir? Because multiplying we are doing. So this is why multiplication, sir. Sir, this into this integer, no worries. This into this against an integer, even and 5. So it will give you zeros. This into this against an integer because 1 by 4. Problem will start with this. So 0.48 into 0.25 means, sir, 1 by 4. 0.1 to 2 digits are remaining. The number of significant digits will be 2, sir. Number of significant digits here will be only 2. Very, very simple. Very simple. Right, sir? Moving on. 8-digit number, acha, this divisible by 3. That means there is no other way other than getting the sum. Acha, maximum value, very important, sir, of m plus n. No, don't worry, sir. 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 6 plus 5 plus 7. I've taken all the digits, and m and n meaning plus m plus n. This should be divisible by 3 if it wants to, the whole number wants to be divisible by 3. So this is 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 12, 22. 22 plus 7, 29. So it looks something like this. Now, I will put maximum values because they are asking us to find maximum. Now tell me, m is a digit, n is a digit. So the biggest value I can put for m is 9, n is 9. So m plus n is, m plus n in that case is 18. 29 plus 18, is it divisible, sir? Even if it is not divisible, figure that out. That will give you the idea about what to put next. 29 plus 18 means 30 plus 17, 47. So not divisible. And I cannot put anything more, but I can put less. So how much less, sir? How much less? The nearest value that is divisible by 3 is 45. That is 45. So I can say, acha, that means m plus n, instead of putting 18, the biggest value that I can put is, sir, 16, because it should be 2 less. It should be 2 less. So the answer to my question is option B, 16. You don't need to put all the values. 9 and 9 is the biggest value you can put. So start from there, and then from there you subtract. From there you always subtract. Argomita, got my point? Everybody clear this? Absolutely clear, na sir? Because m and n are two different places. I can put 9 and 9. So that is how we figured. That is how we have figured it. Again, if you are liking this, please hit the like button. Now, 15 years hence, basic question. Ratio of age of man and his son is this. Okay, sir. So that means, sir, the ratio is, sir, the age of man is 2x, age of son is x. It is 15 years hence, meaning present, sir, minus 15, minus 15. Present age is this, age of the man, meaning, sir, this man age, it is given as 45. X is 30, sir. X is at 30. Son's present age is this, 30 minus 15, sir, 15. The answer to your question, option C, 15. Option C, 15 is the correct answer, sir. It is as simple as it gets. And this was your last question. This was our last question for the day. Again, I hope you guys have understood, you guys have liked the session. Again, enjoying the process is very important. Enjoying the process is very, very important. Now, just a quick tad bit I want to discuss. Sir, again, for those who are joining us for the first time, we always, every Saturday for SSC candidates, for you guys only, we are conducting free live sessions, completely free of charge. You guys are welcome, more than welcome to join. So I am currently taking probability. Last Saturday I took probability, and I generally take the classes at 10 a.m. So next, this Saturday also, I will have the second part of probability. Relative speed question, yeah, definitely, Argamita. Why not? Why not? I'm more than happy to repeat if you guys are willing to learn. This one, chalo sir, let's repeat, sir. You see what I'm saying, what I am actually saying. Sir, X hours they are crossing when they are moving towards each other. Now, RS we need relative speed, because I told you, whenever you see there are two bodies that both are in motion, both the bodies are in motion, that means I need relative speed. You need to consider your relative speed. Now, both moving towards each other, meaning opposite, that means the relative speed will be 75 plus 90, that is 165. And both are moving in the same direction, then the relative speed is minus, it is 90 minus 75, that is 15. Now, please understand, whether they are crossing like this or they are crossing like this, so they need to, if we are talking about trains, this is mostly a train question like this. So what will happen, sir? They need to cross the same distance. Now, can I say this? अरे भाई उनको distance तो same जाना होगा, because whatever happens, if they are crossing like this, they need to cross the sum of their lengths. Sum of their lengths. Here we don't need that, but again, just saying. Here also they need to cross the sum of their lengths. So distance is same in both situations, right, Argamita? Distance is same in both the situations. So I have figured out only distance. So first situation, speed into time will give me distance. 165 into time is x. Second situation, sir, time is this, speed I know, that is, sir, it's 90 minus 15, 75, that is 15. Speed into time, speed here into time here. So distance, this is also distance. Sir, this is also distance. So what did I do? I am saying both distances must be equal. That's all. From there I got my equation, solved it, and as they have told us x is even, so my answer is 8. Absolutely clear, na? Absolutely clear. So this was our course. This was our mock analysis. I hope you guys have understood. I'm kind of, every day I take so much extra time. That is why I've absolutely no need to thank Argamita. It's my job only. So again, if you guys want to join us, these two are our YouTube channels. So I take classes here on the English medium. So this is a purely English channel. You see, I'm not talking so much in Hindi. I can speak in Hindi, but again, this is the English channel. If you need the the Hindi, so this is where we take classes. And again, for the railway, if you want, the NTPC mock solution is not done here. That is done on a channel called Railway Coaching by Oliveboard. Nishant sir take the mock analysis there. Okay, so again, if you want to understand, or if you are more comfortable in Hindi, you can also check that out. Okay, sir. Again, thank you so much. If you have liked the session, please do hit the like button, and also do not forget about this this free class drive. It is there for your benefit. I myself take classes every day like every Saturday at 10 a.m. and there are throughout the day all the faculties of our platform, they take classes here. So again, do not worry. So if you want, please join, and if you have any particular topic recommendation, you want a class on that topic, please comment down in the in this particular video. So I will take that up as one of the classes, that particular topic. So again, thank you so much for joining us. I will again see you guys next Monday with the ACGL mock, and Tuesday with the NTPC mock. So again, thank you so much. I'll see you guys. Till then, please take care. Bye-bye, and have a happy, very happy Holi. Have a blast in Holi, but again, along with preparation. Do not forget about your preparation. So again, thank you so much.